Hi students, I am Hemant Dixit from T.I.M.E, Mumbai. Today we are going to learn the topic of quadratic equations by factorization. For solving a quadratic equation by factorization method, we need to factorize the product of A and C. And so as to know the factors of A and C, we need to know the divisibility tests for various prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. Usually the sums will have factors up to 90. So you can be sure if you know the factor divisibility test up to 90. So let us learn the divisibility test for 30. What is the prerequisite to apply this test? The prerequisite to apply this test is that you should know the table of 13 up to 13 sevens are. I'm sure you being student of secondary school, you will know this table. Let's take a number 169. So what you have to do, you have to take the units place digit of this number, that is 9, and multiply it by 9. This 9 is the fixed part of the divisibility test. So the answer is 81. Now you have to subtract this 81 from rest of the number, that is 16. In this case it is 16. Suppose a number is a 5-digit number, then I will subtract this number from this number, 4-digit number. So in this case, the answer is 16 minus 81, that is minus 65. Divide minus 65 by 30. Now it is known fact that 13 5s are 65. So this number is divisible by 30. So this gives us a understanding that the main number 169 is divisible by 30. Now let us learn the divisibility test of 17. The prerequisite is that the table of 17 should be known to you up to 17 threes are. Let us take a number 4913. What we have to do is we have to multiply the units place digit by 5 in this case and subtract this product from rest of the number, that is in this case 491 minus 15 will come. So the answer is 476. At this stage we are not able to judge whether the number is divisible by 17 or not. So let us apply this test once again. So we are going to multiply the units place digit of this subtraction by 5, that is 6 5s are 30. So I am going to subtract 30 from rest of the number, that is 47. So the answer will be 17. Now you can easily make out that the number is divisible by 17. Hence the main number under consideration is divisible by 17. You can verify this by actual division. Let us solve the quadratic equation x square plus 3 root 3x plus 6 equal to 0 by this method. So first we have to use the formula to get the solution. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 root 3 and c is equal to 6. After comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the discriminant delta or d is b square minus 4ac, which is 3 root 3 square, which is b square, minus 4 into a, that is 1, into c, that is 6. Now 3 root 3 square, what we have to do is 3 square, that is 9, and root 3 square, which is 3. Why root 3 square is 3? Because square root and square are opposite operations, like addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. These two are opposite operations. Therefore, 9 3s are 27 minus 24, 4 6 are 24. So this answer is 3. Now our formula, quadratic formula, is that the solution of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 will be minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we are just substituting in this formula. So minus of 3 root 3, because our b is positive. So here the answer will come negative. Plus root 3, which is this value, b square minus 4ac, upon 2 times a. Our a is 1. So similar substitution is made over here, but with a difference of minus over here in case of plus, which was at the first solution. Now if we simplify, the answer will be minus 2 root 3. Here I give you a trick. Like, let us consider the root 3 is some rupees. So minus 3 rupees plus 1 rupee will be minus 2 rupees. That is, if you owe someone 2 rupees, like your mother has given you 1 rupee and you have borrowed money from your friend, which is 3 rupees. So now your first duty is to give him back that 1 rupee. So now you are left with 2 rupees minus account. So it is minus 2 root 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 naturally. So the answer is 1 root 3. That is root 3. Because when the multiple is 1, we don't write it. That is the convention. Now here again minus 3 root 3 minus root 3. That is minus 4 root 3. Like 3 rupees loan and again 1 rupees loan. 1 rupee loan. So 4 root 3 upon 2. So the answer is minus 2 root 3. We've taken this step. Now let us move to the second step. Leave appropriate space, that is leave appropriate lines and write the last line first. So what will be our last line? That is getting the solution. Now x is equal to minus root 3 and x is equal to minus 2 root 3. These two solutions we got from our formula method. Now just transpose this to the other side so that you get 0 on right hand side for both the small simple equations. So x plus root 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Now just combine these two and equate it to 0. So it will be x plus root 3 into x plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Now as if we have taken this bracket outside, so we will write this bracket 2 times and we'll split this bracket into 2 terms. So it is x will come here, or whatever first term is there will come here, and then we'll write this bracket, and with this sign and this number, after having written this number, we will again repeat this same bracket, which is this bracket. Now after this we have to multiply, like x into x is x square, x into root 3 is root 3x with a plus sign, then 2 root 3 into x, so plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 into root 3, that is 6. Because again root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, that is 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So after writing this step, you can, if you go from top to bottom, you will see that your sum is solved. But just so as to show that the sum is not solved by using formula method, we will write 1 into 6 is equal to 6 and we will write these two factors. Which are these two factors? X root 3 and 2 root 3, like that. Now if suppose you are actually solving by correct method in the right order and not in reverse order, then you will come across 6 and 2 root 3. So 6 upon 2 root 3, because we have to make 2 pairs of 2 terms and then we have to take something out so that these two brackets are same. So 6 upon 2 root 3, because here we are getting x plus 2 root 3 in the bracket. So we have to take 2 root 3 outside the bracket and then we have to divide this 6 by 2 root 3. So here is the explanation. 6 is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 2 root 3. So 2 gets cancelled and you are left with 3 upon root 3. But 3 can be again expressed as root 3 the whole square. So root 3 square upon root 3. So it is something like a square upon a. So our answer will be a. So this is root 3.